Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play the Subway Surfers theme on guitar. First, let's find the main melody notes on your high E string, starting around the 7th fret. Next, we'll tackle the two essential chords that form the song's foundation. Take your time to practice the rhythm of the opening riff, ensuring each note rings clear before moving on. This careful start builds a strong base. Now, let's combine that catchy melody with the chords you just learned. Pay close attention to making your transitions between chord shapes as smooth as possible. This is key for a fluid sound. Remember to maintain a consistent tempo from start to finish. Using a metronome can really help you keep time and ensure everything stays together perfectly. Keep practicing these sections. To make your performance truly shine, start incorporating subtle dynamics. Think about where you might play a little softer or louder to add expression. Once you're comfortable, gradually increase your playing speed, always prioritizing accuracy over pace. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you improve your timing and precision with every practice session. These details elevate your playing. You're ready to perform the entire Subway Surfers theme. Play through it confidently, focusing on everything we've covered. If you encounter any tricky spots, review common mistakes like rushed transitions or unclear notes and work on correcting them. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master this fun tune in no time. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.